Most websites fail at one thing, and it's not design. Here's how to fix it. Please subscribe and be part of our journey. Your support truly matters. When Maya rebuilt her company website, she thought it would just be fresh photos and a new layout. But she quickly realized it had to tell a story, attract the right people, and drive real results. In this video, I'm sharing 5 key elements that make a website work like a client-generating machine, so you can do the same. First, identity-driven messaging. Maya's first breakthrough? She shifted from showcasing what her company did to highlighting who they are and who they serve. Your website should do more than display products or services. It should speak to your customer's identity. When visitors see themselves in your brand, they trust you and are willing to invest. We coach you to use a software account to capture visitor insights, personalize messaging, and segment your audience so your offers speak to their identity, not just the results. Ask yourself, is your website speaking to your customer's identity or just the outcome? Second, organized navigation. Her old site was a cluttered maze. This time she focused on clarity, a clean high-res page, organized products and services, a searchable blog, and a freebies library for quick resources. Suddenly, her website became a place people actually wanted to explore. Could your main menu be simpler and more focused? Imagine your visitors finding exactly what they need in seconds. Third, easier and more opt-in calls to actions. Next came the calls to action. Instead of hiding a single opt-in, Maya added multiple invitations, lead magnets, checklists, and guides, each paired with glowing testimonials. Every page became a chance to build her email list and grow her community. A software account lets you place opt-ins strategically across your site, automate follow-up emails to new leads, and track which offers and calls to action convert best. Are your opt-ins positioned strategically so visitors can't resist subscribing? So your website is constantly building your email list? Fourth, interactive quiz. What thrilled Maya most was personalization. She added an interactive quiz that guided visitors to the perfect program, video, or resource for their needs. Her website stopped being just informational, it became a personal guide for every visitor. With a software account, you can create quizzes or surveys that automatically segment leads, deliver tailored content and offers based on results, and boost engagement and conversions without extra work. Could a simple quiz show visitors exactly what they need while increasing conversions? Fifth, real-time social proof. Finally, Maya knew trust was everything. She added a live wall of testimonials, community stats, and video views. Visitors could see that others were already finding value, making her brand instantly credible. In the end, Maya's website wasn't just a brochure, it became a dynamic business tool. It attracted ideal clients consistently, increased conversions, and built trust in her community. Know someone who could use this? Share the video with them. It might be exactly what they need. If you want your website to do the same, start by focusing on identity, navigation, opt-ins, personalization, and social proof. And don't forget, every visitor should leave knowing exactly what to do next. Ready to get started? Visit humanbrainbox.com and click Get Free Software Account. A marketing success manager will personally reach out to help you launch your client-getting system. If you're finding value in our content and want to keep up with our latest videos, the best way to support us is by hitting that subscribe button. Subscribing helps our channel grow and makes sure you never miss out on the helpful tips, insights, and updates we share regularly. We're on a mission to reach as many subscribers as possible in the next month, and your support means the world to us. Subscriber, help us make this channel something amazing.